So in this video, I want to talk about self-care and kind of like my journey with taking care of myself. So as a stay-at-home mom, I know in the beginning I felt so guilty that I was staying home and I felt like I owed everything to Matt. And it was really hard for me to kind of be like, okay, well, I need my time. And so I would stay up at night and I wouldn't ask for the time for myself. So I got really sick from staying up and getting everything done that I needed to at night because I like almost literally wasn't sleeping, and then I was a horrible mom during the day. So I decided, now that I have one that's 1.5 and one that's going to be 3, I I'm kind of like in the swing of things. I feel like I am able to do more now. So I feel like I'm kind of more, I guess, worthy, which is really sad because I feel like I should have been worthy from the beginning because I mean, saving money, not having daycare, and I feel like I do a pretty good job with staying home. I know everything's hectic and nothing's perfect, but yeah, so I feel, I guess, worthy now to ask for the time, even though I hate saying that because I feel like, I don't know. My cousin says, as long as you keep them alive, that's your job, is like they're alive, they're fed, and that's like the most important thing. So if your house is a mess, which I try to keep under control, anyways, so I said, if you come home from your long day of work, and I had a long day of work too, and you get to relax, then I get 30 minutes to do whatever I want. So I decided I wanted to do a workout. So I just 6 months ago I had ordered Beachbody on demand, and I hadn't really been using it because, like I said, it's hard to even get a couple minutes in without someone asking me for something. And it's almost like they know that you're doing something, so they like intentionally try to mess with you. So like I told my daughter, hey, I'm just gonna close my eyes for 5 minutes while you are watching TV. And that was like, I should have never said that because she's like, I want to climb on your back, I want you to wake up, I want you to go play with me in the kitchen. And it was really hard. So the nap never happened. Not even for 1 minute. But so I just put my foot down and I'm like, I need 30 minutes. If my job is so easy and I am so lucky to be home, then you can watch the kids for 30 minutes. I mean, what is 30 minutes? 30 minutes is like nothing. And when you look at it like that, it's like 30 minutes is like not very long. And I could use that time to work out and put into myself because of being a mom, I've completely let go of myself. And then also with me doing my business, it's like I'm trying to balance everything out and it's so hard. So the balancing part's the hardest. But now I'm like, I have to take care of myself. I have to do this for me. And it's only 30 minutes. And then I can spend the other time on my business or just cleaning. And I made a schedule and I kind of want to incorporate personal care into it, and or maybe do a separate personal care one. I'll put a link in the bio for the kids' daily schedule, and that's super helpful. But taking care of yourself is so important, and just getting that 30 minutes in every day has been really, really good for me and just my mind, and just feeling better about myself, because that's been a really hard thing with being a mom too, is losing myself like physically and mentally, and exercising helps with both, because you need that time for yourself, because it's being a stay-at-home mom is hard. Being a mom is hard. Being a stay-at-home mom is hard. Like you lose yourself as a mom and then you totally lose yourself as a stay-at-home mom because you just like give up everything. And then Matt will come home and he's like, well, like he'll say something and I'm like, if I was doing nothing today, you think I would make myself look better? Like I made myself look okay for this video, but on the daily basis, I look like Cinderella, like hot mess Cinderella. So, I mean, I would love to get ready for him. And I know Dr. Laura says, get ready for your husband and when he gets home and he'll be happy. But when that time comes, that time of the day, I'm like, I'm not done cleaning. I'm not done doing this and that and all of the things. I mean, how many jobs as a stay-at-home mom do you have? Like 10,000. How do you like that? I always have painted nails by the kids. So I just want to say, take care of yourself. You are worthy of the time, even if it's only 30 minutes a day. I mean, they get to come home from work and then take a little break. You get to come take a break out of your job. That doesn't end. Because who's getting up in the night to take care of the kids? You are, right? If the kids wake up in the night and they need something, you're getting up. So your job's 24/7. There's no breaks. Like last night, he's laying on the couch and I'm at the edge of the couch because I'm just like waiting. I'm like, there's no relaxing. I can't close my eyes. So I get that 30 minutes. And you do too, okay? So this video is for me to tell you that you are worthy and you get to take that bath. You get to go for that walk. You get to go to the grocery store by yourself. Whatever it is that you want to do for self-care, do it. So that's all. I hope that was helpful. I hope I made you feel good about yourself. I hope I lifted you up. If you have any questions or any videos you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, like it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.